Hi guys, here Anisha. So today's topic will be how to stop EC2 instance by using AWS Lambda. So here the basic concept will be like automatically turning off the EC2 instance. Further, I will be gonna post videos on how to stop EC2 instance, also how to turn off and turn on the EC2 instance by using AWS Lambda and also event scheduler. There what we are gonna do is we will be scheduling a time. On that time it should be turned off and also turn on the EC2 instance. So let's start with how to start the instance by using Lambda. So first, so you can see here I am in Mumbai region and I have created a EC2 instance. Here basically our EC2 instance state isn't stopped. So what we will be doing is we will be creating a Lambda function and then we will be writing a code such that says that this EC2 instance has to stop. So whenever I trigger the Lambda, here the EC2 stop or starts. So today we will be gonna focus on starting the EC2 instance. So let's start first. Uh, Search for the Lambda services. So here is a Lambda service. I will be clicking on that. So okay. So here first what we have to do is just click on create function. Okay, so author from scratch. So this is a start EC2 function. We will be like EC2 start function. So this will be our function name. Okay, here runtime I will be gonna use Python. So simply click on the create function. Let's wait until it creates. So finally our function is created. So here you can see there is a code part. We will just delete this part. So we have a code saying that to start this such and such instance. So I will show I have copied in the notepad. I will be adding this in my description so you can copy paste from there. So I will copy it and paste here. So okay, let me explain this code. So we are using boto3. So here region. So our EC2 instance is in Mumbai region. So Mumbai region code will be AP South 1. So if you create an instance in Ohio, just copy this US EC2 and paste here. Okay, next replace with your EC2 instance ID. So instance ID, this ID we can get from the EC2 instance. Just go back to the EC2 instance and see here. Click on here. So you will get this EC2 instance. Just copy it and paste over here. Just remove this and paste it. So this is our instance ID. So we will be like connect EC2 boto3 region name, start the instance. We will be fetching this instance ID from the output. So let's deploy it first. So okay, it is deployed. Now one thing we have to change, as we have written the code for the EC2 instance, we have to give a EC2 full access permission to our IAM role. So that we can get from here, configuration, here and no, permissions. So here you can see this is role name. Just click on that. So it will redirect to the IAM console. So this was the role created when you were creating the functions. So here only Lambda role will be given by the default. So you have to add one more permission, that is EC2 full permission. So when you add EC2 full permission, this Lambda function will be able to take actions on the EC2s. So just click on it and add permissions. So let it load. Okay, we can see EC2 full permission and Lambda basic execution permission is here. Okay, let's go back to the Lambda function. Now let's test it. Go to the code, create one test. So we have deployed already. Let's deploy once again, but there is no any changes. So let's click on here. Just create one new event. Let's do the name as test1. So I will be saving this. So my test event is saved. Now I can directly test it from here. So click on the test. So you can get the output. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, here it got failed. What is the reason? It says that task timed out after 3 seconds. So okay, one important thing. By default, whenever you create any Lambda function, its default time will be 3 seconds. Whenever your code will be more than that, means whenever your code needs more seconds or more minutes or in case any time, so you have to change this configuration. So let's change this. Just go to the configuration and here you can see general configuration. So just click on edit. So here by default it will be like 3. We'll make it 30 seconds and just save it and retest it now. Go for code. Okay. Now click on test. It's taking time. See, now status succeeded because you before it was 3 seconds, so that 3-second time was not enough for this, so we have increased 30 seconds and now we can see that it says the status succeeded. So what to do? Just go back to the EC2 instance, just see the status. So here it says stopped. Now it should be starting. See, now it came to the running state. Before it was stopped, when we trigger the Lambda function which says start EC2, here the instance you can say it is start. So this is how a basics normal steps how you can trigger a EC2 instance when it is in a stop. Okay, in my next video I will be showing how to stop the EC2 instance. So stay tuned. Bye.